Hey Curlies, I'm on my way into Target. This is one of my first vlogs, so this is probably gonna go terribly. But I'm shopping for some natural hair products for my cousin. She's newly natural, and I wanna pick her up some products because I'm gonna show her how to style her natural hair. All right, I made it to the natural hair aisle, and I'm looking for BodyWorks. I think that's where I'm gonna start with her, since their products are so affordable. This is the BodyWorks section down here. It's actually smaller than I was expecting it to be, but they do have the curling cream at least. I wanted to get a deep conditioner. They have this one. I've never tried this one though. I should have got a basket. I also want to get her a leave-in. So I think I'm probably gonna go with the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. It's one of my favorites. It is $12.99, and I'm trying to stay under a $25 budget, but it's just so good. I think I'm gonna have to go with it. So because they don't have the BodyWorks mask that I wanna get, I'm gonna get her 2 Shea Moisture packets because I know Shea Moisture always has
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Because I know Shea Moisture always has the Fire Deep Conditioners. They have 2 packets here. They got the Jamaican Black Castor Oil one and the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil one, and I like both of these, so I'm just gonna get both. So for a shampoo, I think I'm gonna go with this Peppermint Tea Tree one, just because I want her to use something that really gets her scalp clean. And this isn't too drying. It isn't very drying at all. And then I should get her a moisturizing shampoo too, but since I said I had a $25 budget and I already think I went over it, so I'm just gonna chill. Now I'm looking at their gels, trying to decide which one to get. They do have a wet line, but as you guys know, I don't like the new wet line because they decided to put sodium hydroxide. It's like the 3rd or 4th ingredient, which I don't like. So I only use the old one. I still have some old jars. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna get her one of these Ecos. I wish they had the JBCO one in a smaller size because then I would get that. But because they don't, I think I'm gonna go with the argan oil because I know this one has a strong hold and she has some thick hair. The only thing that I'm thinking about changing is this leave-in, just because it's the most pricey thing that I have so far. So I'm gonna see if I can find a cheaper one real quick, but if not, I'm just gonna go with this. I think my sister and I are just gonna get this for her because I think it's gonna go over the $25 limit, but I really want her to keep her hair moisturized, so I want her to use this leave-in. And then look what I came across as I'm just looking around. You guys don't have to worry, I'm not gonna buy anything, but Shea Moisture has a couple new products. They got a Go-To Cola and Raspberry Seed Oil Pre-Swim Leave-In Protection and a Go-To Cola and Raspberry Seed Oil After Sun Body Jelly. So this one is a hair product, but this one is for your body. The packaging is so cute. Shea Moisture is doing it big for the summer. If I wasn't on product punishment, I might check out this leave-in protection, even though I'm not going swimming.
Boy, if you...
So this is my total without the leave-in. So I only went a little bit over budget and it's $27. And I'm gonna get the leave-in too. And that brings the total to $40.75. So I think I did a pretty good job.